So Vignesh, how are you?
I am fine.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Gansoli.
Where is your father?
My father is working.
Where is your mother?
My mother is at home.
Where are you now?
I am in class.
How are you feeling?
My feeling is better.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have a sister.
How old is she?
My sister is 10 years old.
What is your school's name?
My school's name is Shiv Kalyan Shikshan Sanstha, Gansoli.
Do you go to school daily?
Yes, I go to school daily.
At what time do you get up in the morning?
I get up 6 o'clock, 6 a.m.
Can you tell me your friend's name?
My friend's name is Sarah.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise in morning.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movie.
Which movie you saw recently?
No, sir, I don't saw movie recently.
Okay. You did not watch any movie recently. So have you seen Bahubali movie?
No,
You have not seen Bahubali.
no, sir.
So which movie you have seen recently?
Recently,
Last movie. Which was your last movie?
Voter.
Okay. So was it nice movie?
Yes.
You like watching movies?
Yes, I like.
Okay. So in which standard you are now?
I am in 8th standard.
Okay. So I am going to ask you some questions. Okay.
Yes.
I will be asking you questions in Marathi.
Yes.
Okay. You have to transfer it in English. Okay. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
तो शाळेला जातो.
He goes to school.
मी घरी आहे.
I am at home.
मला अभ्यास करावा लागतो.
I have to study.
मला शाळेला जावं लागतं.
I have to go to school.
मी आईला मदत करतो.
I help mother.
तू शाळेला जातो का?
Do you go to school?
ती अभ्यास करते का?
Does she study?
ती शाळेला गेली का?
Did she go to school?
Did she go to school? मी घरी आलो.
I came at home.
I came home. मी क्रिकेट खेळायला गेलो.
I went to play cricket.
मला क्रिकेट खेळायला आवडतं.
I like to play cricket.
मी सोमवारी क्रिकेट खेळतो.
I play cricket on Monday.
मी काल क्रिकेट खेळत होतो.
I was playing cricket yesterday.
मी क्रिकेट खेळलं पाहिजे.
I should play cricket.
मी उद्या क्रिकेट खेळेन.
I will play cricket tomorrow.
तो क्रिकेट खेळत असेल.
He will be playing cricket.
तो क्रिकेट खेळलेला आहे.
He will have played cricket.
तो क्रिकेट खेळलेला आहे.
He had played cricket.
खेळलेला आहे. तो क्रिकेट खेळलेला आहे.
He has played.
ही हॅज प्लेड क्रिकेट. मी जेवलेलो आहे.
I have eaten.
मला तहान लागलेली आहे.
I am thirsty.
आय एम थर्स्टी. मला भूक लागलेली आहे.
I am hungry.
तो रडत आहे.
He is crying.
ती पळत आहे.
She is running.
सो तू काय करतो?
How? What are you doing? No, what do?
व्हॉट डू यू डू?
What do you do?
मला माहीत होतं.
I knew this.
मी अभ्यास करत होतो.
I was studying.
मी अभ्यास करत नाही.
I didn't study.
आय डोंट स्टडी. तो गेला.
He went.
मला जाऊ द्या.
Let me go.
तिला बसू द्या.
Let him sit.
ओके. सो थँक यू विघ्नेश. यू हॅव इम्प्रूव्ड नाव. सो who is next? फटाफट कम हियर. So stand there. So how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling little bit nervous.
Be loud, okay? Because
Okay.
just we are shooting your video, so be louder, okay? You are confident enough to speak with me now.
Yes, I'm
So
confident.
we have done so many practice rounds. So now I guess you have so much confidence, and you
Yes.
are one of the confident student in our class. So now I am going to ask you some simple questions. Okay, these are basic questions which I will be asking you. Just you answer me in English. Okay.
Okay.
And after this session I will be asking you some questions in other language, you will have to translate that particular questions or the particular sentences into English only. Okay, so are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
So where do you stay?
I stay in Gansuli.
So do you go to theater to watch movie?
No, I don't go to theater.
Okay, so you have not seen any movie in theater?
Yes, I have seen only one movie in theater.
What was that?
Nah,
Okay, so normally you don't go to theater to watch movies.
no, I don't go.
Okay, so which sport do you like to play?
I like both football and cricket.
But if I ask you which sport do you like most out of football and cricket, then which sport you will say?
I will say football.
Okay, so do you play it?
Yes, I played.
Okay, so do you go to market on Sunday?
Yes, I go to market on Sundays.
At what time do you get up in the morning?
I get up in morning on 6 o'clock.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
Does your father help you in study?
Yes, my father's help in study.
Your father help you in study?
Yes.
Okay, so do you study English at home?
Yes, I study English at home.
Okay, do you understand all the grammar now?
Yes, I understand all the grammar.
Do you face any difficulty while speaking?
No, I don't face any difficulty.
Okay, so that means you understand everything.
Yes.
So what do you think, English is easy or difficult?
English is easy but little difficult for starting students.
Okay, but if you understand grammar, then now are you able to make any sort of sentence?
Yes, I am able.
Okay, so do you understand every sentence?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so it's very important to understand and to practice it. So now I'm going to say some sentences. Okay, you are supposed to answer or translate that sentence in English. Okay, मला जेवावं लागतं,
I have to eat.
मला मदत करावी लागते,
I have to help.
मला शाळेला जावं लागतं,
I have to go to school.
तिला अभ्यास करावा लागतो,
She has to study.
मला मदत करावी लागली,
I had to help.
तुला मदत करावी लागेल,
You will have to help.
मम्मीला बोलावं लागेल,
Mother will have to speak.
तुम्हाला चालावं लागेल,
You will have to walk.
आम्हाला वाट बघावी लागली.
We had to wait.
तू शाळेला जातो का?
Do you go to school?
ती शाळेला गेली का?
Did he go to school?
ते घरी आले का?
Did they come?
आम्ही खूप खेळलो,
We played lot of.
मी खूप पाणी पिले,
I drank so much water.
ओके, सो थँक यू प्रतीक.
Oh, my name is Rutvik.
ओके, सो थँक यू ऋत्विक.
Thank you.
सो नाव हुज टर्न? ओके, सो अजिंक्य, हाउ आर यू?
I am fine.
वेर इज योर ब्रदर?
My brother is at home.
Why he is at home? Why he did not come to class?
He going to mommy. With mommy.
He went with mommy. Okay. So where do you stay?
I stay in Gansuri.
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling better.
Do you understand everything now in English?
I understand.
Do you understand to how to speak, how to write any sentence?
Yes.
Okay. So where is your father now?
My father is at.
What is the
work.
day today?
Today is Saturday.
What is the day tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Do you help your brother?
Yes, help my mother.
Are you elder or younger?
I am elder.
You are elder. So do you have sister?
No, I don't have sister.
What do you do when you are free?
I paint in free time.
Okay, so you like painting?
Yes, I like painting.
Okay, so do you study English speaking at home?
Yes, I study English at home.
Does your father help you in English speaking?
No,
Okay, so do you speak English with your friends also?
I sometimes talk with my friends.
So now, do you understand everything?
Yes, I understand everything.
So what do you think? English is easy or difficult?
English is easy, but starting is difficult.
Okay. Starting is difficult, but now you are feeling very easily.
Yes.
You can talk very easily. You understand what is subject, verb, object, and everything.
Yes.
Supporting verbs and modals, all the things you understand, no?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. So, thank you, Ajinkya. Now I am going to ask you some questions that will be in Marathi. You will have to translate those sentences in English. Are you ready for it?
Yes, I ready.
मी बोलत आहे.
I'm talking.
मी बोलतो.
I talk.
मी बोलत होतो.
I had talk.
मी बोललो.
I talk. I talked.
मी बोलत होतो.
I had talked.
मी बोलत होतो.
I will talk. I was talking.
I was talking. Nice. मी बोलेन.
I will be talking.
मी बोलत असेन.
I will be talking.
ओके. तू शाळेला जातो का?
Do you go to school?
ती अभ्यास करते का?
Does she study?
तो जेवला का?
Does he eat?
तो जेवला का?
Does he eat?
Did he eat?
Did he eat?
तो जेवतो का?
Does he eat?
मला तहान लागली आहे.
I am thirsty.
मी पाणी पिले.
I drank.
I drank water. मी शाळेला गेलो.
I went to school.
I went to school. मी अभ्यास केला.
I studied.
मी घरी आलेलो आहे.
I have come. I have come to home.
मी मूवी बघितला आहे.
I have watched movie.
मला बोलू द्या.
Let me talk.
मला चालू द्या.
Let me walk.
तिला येऊ द्या.
Let her come.
त्यांना खेळू द्या.
Let them
So,
play.
Thank you, Ajinkya. Nice try. Who is next? Come faster. So, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Sanjana Tiwari.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Ghansali.
Look at the camera only, okay? And stay steady, okay? Don't move. So, which subject do you like?
I like English and science.
What do you do when you are free?
I watch mobile in my free time.
Okay. When do you study?
I study at home.
Okay. Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you have brother?
No, I have no brother.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have two sisters.
How many? Okay, you have two sisters. So that means you are three. Okay. So, do you help your father?
Yes, I help my father.
Okay. How do you go to school?
I go to school by walk.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
When do you eat in the night?
I eat at 11 or 11 or 30 o'clock.
Okay. Do you have friends who talks with you in English?
Yes, I have many friends.
Okay. So, you talk in English with your friends also.
Yes, I talk sometimes English with my
Okay.
friends.
So, do you practice English speaking at home?
Yes, I practice.
Okay. So, do you help your friends also in speaking?
Yes, I help my friends.
Okay. So, you study English at home and you practice also.
Yes.
Okay. So, I am going to ask you some questions in Hindi. Okay. You have to translate them into English only. मैं जा रही हूँ.
I am going.
मैं आ रही हूँ.
I am coming.
मैं जाती हूँ.
I go.
मैं गई.
I went.
मैं जा रही थी.
I was going.
मैं गई थी.
I gone.
I had gone. मैं आई हूँ.
I had come.
I have come. मैं आई हूँ. अभी आई हूँ. I have come. उसने बोला.
He talks.
He talked. वो बोल रहा था.
He was talking.
He was talking. वो बोलेगा.
He talked.
वो बोलेगा.
He will talk.
He will talk. वो बात कर रहा होगा.
He will be talking.
He will be talking. उसने बात की होगी.
He will have talked.
He will have talked. मुझे खाना बनाना पड़ता है.
I have to food.
I have to cook food. मुझे काम करना पड़ता है.
I have to work.
उसको बोलना पड़ता है.
He has to talk.
He has to talk. उसको मदद करना पड़ता है.
He has to help.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
अब बहुत देर हो चुकी है.
It's too late.
It's too late. मैं रोज 7 बजे उठता हूँ.
I wake up at 7 o'clock every day.
I get up आएगा. ठीक है. मैं रोज स्टडी करती हूँ.
I study every day.
मैं संडे को मार्केट जाती हूँ.
I go to market on Sunday.
मुझे सब कुछ पता है.
I know everything.
मुझे सब समझता है.
I understand everything.
मैं प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ.
I practice.
मैं प्रैक्टिस नहीं करती.
I don't practice.
मैंने प्रैक्टिस नहीं की.
I didn't practice.
मैंने खाना नहीं खाया.
I didn't eat.
मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला.
I didn't say anything.
मैं उसको कुछ नहीं बोली.
I don't say him.
ओके. मैं पढ़ाई करती हूँ.
I study.
ओके. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए.
I should study.
मुझे काम करना ही चाहिए.
I must study.
ओके. सो थैंक यू. नाइस ट्राई. हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Brenda Anandale.
Which standard you are in now?
I'm in 9th standard.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have a sister.
How old is she?
12 years old.
She is 12 years old. And do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What time do you go to school?
12:30.
What time do you get up in the morning?
8 p.m.
8 a.m.
8
Okay.
a.m.
So do you help your mother?
Yes, I have mom.
Does your sister helps you?
No.
She does not help you?
No.
Okay. So do you help your sister?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you practice English at home?
Yes, I practice.
Where is your mother now?
My mother is at home.
What is your brother doing now?
My brother is at home.
What is your father doing?
My father doing office work.
Okay. So do you watch movies?
Yes.
Which movie do you like so much?
Horror.
Okay, horror movies you like. So when do you study?
I study.
In the morning, evening, afternoon, in night? What time do you study? Okay, you study in afternoon. So I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? You just translate those sentences in Marathi. मला आईस्क्रीम आवडतं.
I like ice cream.
मला फ्रूट्स पण आवडतात.
I like fruits. I like fruits also.
ओके. मला दही नाही आवडत.
I don't like
कर्ड. मी सकाळी दूध पिते.
I drink milk at morning.
ओके. आय ड्रिंक मिल्क इन द मॉर्निंग. मी 7 वाजता शाळेला जाते.
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
मला बोलायला आवडतं.
I like to speak.
त्याला खेळायला आवडतं.
He likes to
स्पीक
play.
लाऊडर. ओके. मी जेवले नाही.
I don't eat.
आय डिडंट ईट.
I didn't eat.
मी अभ्यास नाही केला.
I did not study.
तो शाळेला नाही गेला.
He didn't go to school.
तू खेळतो का?
Do you study?
ती अभ्यास करते का?
Does he study?
डज शी स्टडी?
Does he?
तू अभ्यास केला पाहिजे.
You should study.
तू अभ्यास कधी करशील?
When you do study.
वेन विल यू स्टडी? ती कुठे गेली?
When she go.
वेअर डिड शी गो? मला पुस्तक पाहिजे होतं.
I wanted book.
आय वॉन्टेड बुक. मला माहीत होतं.
I knew.
आय न्यू. मी पळालो.
I ran.
आय रॅन. सो थँक यू प्रणिता. ओके. नाईस ट्राय. सो हू इज नेक्स्ट? सो हाऊ आर यू?
I am fine.
वेर आर यू?
I am in class.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Gansi.
Do you have sister?
No, I don't have sister.
Do you have brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Now I am going to ask you some questions. You translate those sentences in Marathi. Are you ready?
Yes,
मी शाळेला जात आहे.
I am going to school.
मी काम करत आहे.
I am working.
माझ्याजवळ पुस्तक आहे.
I have.
तिच्याजवळ पुस्तक नाही.
She doesn't have books.
शी डझंट हॅव बुक. व्हेरी नाईस. मला पळायला आवडतं.
I like run.
आय लाईक टू रन. मी काम करतो.
I work.
आय वर्क. डोंट स्पीक. मी अभ्यास करत आहे.
I am studying.
मी जेवत आहे.
I am eating.
मला जाऊ द्या.
Let me go.
मला अभ्यास करू द्या.
Let me study.
मला बोलू द्या.
Let me talk.
मला समजतं.
I understand.
आय अंडरस्टँड. मला माहिती आहे.
I know.
मला माहीत नाही.
I don't know.
मी अभ्यास केला.
I study.
मी अभ्यास करेन. आय विल स्टडी. ओके. सो थँक्यू साहिल. नाईस ट्राय. नेक्स्ट. मेक इट फास्ट. फटाफट. ए कम फास्टर. So how are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Soham.
How old are you? Hey, don't speak.
12 years old.
So in which standard you are now?
I am in 7th standard.
You are in 7th standard. What is your school's name?
My school name is in MSC School Bansal.
Do you understand English now?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you go to school?
I go to school.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up 7. I get up 6 o'clock.
You get up 6 o'clock. And what time do you reach to your school?
I reach 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Okay. So do you study at home?
Yes, I study at home.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Where is your sister?
I have no sister.
I have.
I don't have sister.
I don't have sister. Do you have brother?
Yes, I have brother.
Okay. Where are you now?
I am in class.
Where is your mother? Where is your mother?
My mother is at home.
Your mother is at home. What is your father doing?
My father is working.
I am going to ask you some questions. You translate it in Marathi. मी जात आहे.
I am going.
मी जातो.
I go.
मी जात नाही.
I don't go.
तो गेला आहे.
He gone. He have gone.
He have gone.
He has gone.
तो गेला.
He went.
तो जात होता.
He is going.
तो
He
जात-
was going.
तो गेला होता.
He had gone.
तो जाईल.
He will go.
He will go. तो जात असेल.
He will going.
त्याला जावं लागेल.
He will have go. He will have to go.
He will have to go. मला अभ्यास करावा लागतो.
I have to study.
मला एक्सरसाइज करावी लागते.
I have to exercise.
तू शाळेला जातो का?
Do you go to school?
तू अभ्यास करतो का?
Do you study?
मी जेवलो नाही.
I didn't eat.
मी अभ्यास नाही केला.
I didn't study.
त्याने अभ्यास केला पाहिजे.
He should study.
पाऊस पडतो.
It is raining.
पाऊस पडतो.
It's rain.
इट रेन्स. पाऊस पडत आहे.
It is raining.
पाऊस पडेल.
It will rain.
कदाचित पाऊस पडेल.
It may raining.
ओके. सो नाईस ट्राईंग. सोहम, हु इज नेक्स्ट? So Samar, how are you?
I am fine.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Do you have sister?
Yes, I have sister.
Do you have brother?
Yes, I have brother.
Don't talk. So do you have sister?
Yes, I have sister.
Do you help your sister?
Yes, I have my
Do you have brother?
Yes, I have. I have.
Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you speak English in your class?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I help my mother.
What time do you get up in the morning?
I get up in my 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
Speak loudly, okay? So do you understand English very well now? Okay. So I am going to say some sentences. Okay. You have to transfer it in English. मी अभ्यास करतो.
I study.
मी अभ्यास नाही करत.
I don't study.
मी शाळेला जातो.
I go to school.
मला बोलायला आवडतं.
I like talking.
माझ्याजवळ पुस्तक आहे.
I have a book.
हे व्हॉट आर यू डुईंग? हे तू उद्यापासून इथे बसशील हं? इथे. सो वेअर डू यू स्टे?
I stay in Mansuri.
वेअर आर यू नाव?
I am at class.
मला बोलायचं आहे.
I talk.
मी बोललो.
I talk.
मी बोलेन.
I will talk. I will talk.
ओके. सो थँक्यू समर. हे ज्यांचं झाले ना त्यांनी जाऊ शकता. ठीक आहे. 2 मिनटं यावं लागेल. ठीक आहे. जस्ट 2 मिनिट्स. दाढ दुखली तरी सांगायचं, बोलावं लागेल. ठीक आहे. नो ऑप्शन. फटाफट आपण रॅपअप करूया. ठीक आहे. रॅपअप करूया फटाफट. सो चेतन, वेर इज युअर ब्रदर?
My brother is at home.
व्हॉट आर यू डुईंग नाव?
I standing.
You are standing in class. Do you understand English?
Yes, I am.
How old are you? How old are you? I am asking you question, okay?
I am 10 years old.
Okay. So where do you live?
I live in Ghansali.
So I am going to say some sentences. You translate those sentences in English. मी जातो.
I go.
मी जात आहे.
I go.
मी गेलो आहे. मी अभ्यास करतो.
I study.
माझ्याजवळ पुस्तक आहे.
I have a book.
तो अभ्यास करत आहे.
He study.
ही इज स्टडीइंग.
He study.
तो बोलत आहे.
He talk.
मी सकाळी लवकर उठतो.
I get up early in the morning.
मला इंग्लिश आवडतं.
I like English.
मी इंग्लिश बोलतो.
I talk English.
मी इंग्लिश बोलेन.
I will be talk English.
आय विल टॉक इंग्लिश. मी अभ्यास करेन.
I will study.
ओके. सो थँक्यू चेतन. नाईस ट्राय. नेक्स्ट. हाऊ आर यू?
How are you?
हाऊ आर यू म्हटल्यानंतर बोलतो माय नेम इज.
I am fine.
आय एम फाईन. वेअर आर यू?
I am in class.
डू यू अंडरस्टँड इंग्लिश? Do you study at home?
Yes, I am study at home.
Do you help your mother?
Yes, I am happy.
Do you have pen?
Yes.
Do you have brother?
No. No.
Okay. So I am going to ask you some questions. Okay.
Yes.
मी काम करतो.
I am working.
मी अभ्यास करतो.
I am studying.
मला अभ्यास करायला आवडतं.
I like to study.
Okay. So thank you. Next. Who is next?
Bye.
So Bhumi, how are you?
I am fine.
Where do you live?
I live in Kansari.
What do you do? What are you doing now?
I am in class.
You are in class. Do you understand English?
Yes, I understand English.
Do you speak English?
Yes,